Hello everyone, welcome to Health Tricks and Tips in English, where we discuss everything related to pregnancy and motherhood. Are you excitedly waiting for that life-changing moment? Pregnancy tests are a popular and reliable way to determine whether you're pregnant or not. But have you heard about evaporation lines? Today, we'll dive into this important topic and provide you with all the information you need. Welcome to our video on understanding and recognizing evaporation lines in pregnancy tests. In this video, we'll discuss what evaporation lines are, how to recognize them, and what to do if you suspect you have one. Let's start with the basics. What are evaporation lines? Well, they are a common occurrence on pregnancy tests and can sometimes be mistaken for positive results. Evaporation lines are caused by the urine on the test drying out, which can result in a faint line appearing on the test, even if you're not pregnant. Recognizing evaporation lines can be challenging. They often appear as faint lines, usually in the test area. However, there are two types of faint lines you might encounter. The first type is a positive pregnancy test with a very faint line. This indicates low levels of hCG, the pregnancy hormone, in your urine. It's important to note that this faint line appears within the time frame mentioned in the test instructions. The second type is an evaporation line that only becomes visible after the designated time frame. Imagine you've taken the test, waited for the recommended time, and found a negative result. However, if you let the test sit for longer, you may notice a faint line. This is an evaporation line and does not indicate a positive pregnancy. To differentiate evaporation lines from positive pregnancy test results, it's crucial to wait a few minutes after taking the test and check the line again. If the line remains faint and doesn't darken, it's likely an evaporation line. Now, what should you do if you suspect you have an evaporation line? Well, it's important to retake the pregnancy test, following the instructions correctly. Consider using a different brand of pregnancy test to confirm the result. Remember, while home pregnancy tests can be reliable, it's always best to confirm the result with a healthcare provider. They can provide more accurate results through a blood test or ultrasound. Several factors can contribute to evaporation lines. Let's take a look at them. Some factors that can cause evaporation lines include reading the test too late, not following the instructions correctly, using an expired test, or using a test that has been exposed to humidity or moisture. Timing is crucial when taking a pregnancy test. Waiting too long to read the result can lead to evaporation lines. Most pregnancy tests recommend waiting at least 5 minutes before checking the result. However, this time frame may vary, so always refer to the instructions provided with the pregnancy test kit. In conclusion, evaporation lines can be confusing and frustrating. However, armed with the knowledge of what they are, how to recognize them, and what steps to take, you can reduce the chances of being misled. Remember, if you suspect an evaporation line, retake the test, consider using a different brand, and always confirm the results with a healthcare provider. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe and follow us on YouTube and Facebook respectively. For quick chats you may check our Instagram page. Thanks for watching. We will connect in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.